Welcome to my Good Brain and Makedo's Social Emotional Learning Art Activity series. Today, we're going to turn ordinary cardboard into something extraordinary. This art activity is about confidence and self-esteem, and we will be creating a My Favorite Me puppet together. Are you ready to unleash your imagination and create something awesome? Let's get started. But first, let's talk about what social emotional learning means. Social emotional learning helps us understand our feelings and how to get along with friends. It's like practicing how to be kind, patient, and solve problems together. It's a bit like learning to be a superhero of friendship and emotions. In our My Favorite Me puppet, we will be learning more about our unique strengths, what we like about ourselves, and practicing ways to remind ourselves that we are amazing just as we are. Let's get started by gathering our materials and setting up our space. To create a My Favorite Me puppet, you'll need one piece of white card or paper, one cardboard box, coloring supplies, glue, scissors, and of course your Makedo tools. To set up your space, you can turn on some music that helps you feel calm or focused, or find a quiet place where you can focus and relax. Feel free to pause the video and set up your space. It's important that we practice safety first. If you need help, please ask a nearby adult to assist you with any of these art activities. Ready? Let's get started. First, on a piece of white card or art paper, draw yourself doing something that makes you happy. This is what your puppet is going to look like. So draw it big enough that it's easy for you to cut out and play with later. Next, make a copy of the drawing so you can continue to use it as a guide or something you can stick on your wall or fridge door. Decorate your puppet with colored pencils, markers, and other writing materials. Then, cut out the drawing into different parts: legs, arms, torso, and head. Use the screws to attach different parts of cardboard together and additional props to make the puppet more alive. As you create your puppet, ask yourself these questions. What do I like best about myself? What am I good at? What is something I can do to help others? Once you're finished, congratulations! You have just finished your My Favorite Me puppet. Great job, artists! Look at what you created, your very own cardboard masterpiece. Find a special spot to display it, whether it's on your desk, shelf, or anywhere you like. Thanks for joining us. Find more videos from our My Good Brain and Makedo Social Emotional Learning Art Activity series here on My Good Brain's YouTube channel. Sign up for our emails to be the first to know when a new lesson debuts. See you next time.